Howdy. We're in eastern Utah right now, just maybe about 40 minutes outside of Moab. I pretty much pulled off to a real random small town called Green River. If you head about 10 minutes up from the town, there's actually a beach and like all this kayaking and whitewater rafting and stuff. That's actually like, you would never know this was here. Right now we're kind of just stopped for a day before making it into Moab. When I was down at the beach, I found some of these rounds that were already cut. I've been seeing a bunch of videos on Swedish torches. I made a Swedish stove on one of my last videos where you split a round and then you bundle it back together and then light a fire inside, and it just burns really well. But this is a bit of a different one. This is one where you have typically a hand crank wood screw where you can screw into the top of the round as well as into the side of the round, and then you get a fire started there in the center and it jets up really hot burning stove effect. So that's kind of what we're trying here today. And of course, because we're a bushcrafting channel, we did it all by hand, all primitive tools. The biggest issue is probably going to be getting air inside of this thing. And if you're new here, my name's Joe. I've been living out of my 2011 Jeep Wrangler, traveling all over the West Coast. The one bad thing about this Utah area, central Utah, is there's not many Anytime Fitnesses. So no gyms, no showers. The nearest Anytime Fitness is actually in Grand Junction. So that's going to be our ultimate destination over the next couple of days. We do a lot of fishing, hiking, camping. So if you're into any of that, think about liking and subscribing. But right now, let's see how the stove works. Only primitive technology. You just want those small twigs to heat up enough to where the actual big log starts off-gassing, and it's just gonna keep pulling off that big log. And it's just been smoking, and then it just took a little bit. I'm trying not to put too much in there that it's gonna block the airflow, because obviously that's gonna kill it. It's starting to work. Oh wow. It's really windy too, so that's helping, but oh yeah, that's working. To all right, we're gonna do hot pan, then chicken. Oh yeah, it's hot. That is so hot in there. Oh god, even just out there. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we're going. What's super nice about this is I really only have to like brush the walls to stoke it, and it just starts going. Ow. It is so hot out here. I can't even, those little twigs just take light, and dang, that thing is hot. I think we're just gonna have to dump it in the river when we're done. You're not really gonna be able to put that thing out. Well, I think our torch isn't much of a torch anymore. It's just a log. I think it's worked well so far. We just need a wider round, but it's just getting too unstable. So let's just knock it down and get an actual fire going. Get all this in there. Oh! Now we're going. That's crazy. That torch is just gonna keep going until that whole thing smolders down. Yes, sir. A little bit of avocado on the side. And there you have it. Boom. Oh. Look at that. Not bad. These flies are going crazy, man. I'm going to literally commit genocide on these flies. Cheers. Mm-hmm. And because that stove, it took a long time to cook, longer than I usually would like on the propane stove, but it's so tender. That low and slow hit it right, man. Woo! Mm-hmm. Mm. Bro, these flies. You served us well, my friend, but now go yonder. You are free. It's still smoking. That's how effective that thing is. Is it gonna burn on the water? Oh no. Please roll over. All right, it stopped smoking. Wow, that's very impressive. My gosh. So that worked really well. The only thing I would say is it took a long time for it to actually get going by itself. So it's probably going to take like 20 to 30 minutes, you know, how I did it. A larger round will do you much better. But we have a really big problem right now. We got to go to war with these flies, dude. Look at this. I will kill you all. You bastards. Bastards. Dude. What? This is the worst it's ever been. This is probably one of the most annoying things about living on the road is this. Die. Oh my God. What is going on? Oh. Handy dandy girl. Oh my God. Oh. Right now we're on the road that's heading into Moab. It's like a 20-25 minute drive in.